Let me give you guys a taste of what you will be in for with the Black Ops 3 Twitch integration.
Oh, I don't even really need those either. Let's buy this one. They would do anything to me. Like, what else can we do? Is there a way to punch him in the face right now? Where's the punch?
Hello, fellow streamers. Jerf is here. You may know me from your Twitch chat or your Discord. I'm going to show you guys step by step because I wanted to get it set up with the smoothest amount of things going that were really compatible and they were really like diverse. You guys are really going to enjoy this, and I hope your communities have a lot of fun with it. Remember, the effects can only be triggered in game, not even paused. It has to be in game. Let's get right into it. You're gonna go to the link that I put right down there in the description. Bo3 Twitch integration.zip. Long name. That's what it is. All right. So we're gonna right click on this right here. We're gonna go download right there. Oh, Steam. Once you're in Steam, you go to your library up here. Library. Right click on Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Not right click. Left click. All right. Community Hub. Workshop. Search right here in this little spot. We're going to type Pepsi. Link number 1. Pepsi's commands version 1.03 advanced. This is a hidden gem, my friends. Subscribe to this right here. Got that downloaded. Now we get to the real steps. I'm just going to copy it to my desktop like this. I'm going to grab my binding config files, drop it right there. Open up your binding configuration files. Copy. Right there. Copy. Then we're going to go back to Steam. We're going to go back to library. Right click on Black Ops 3. Manage. Browse local files. Browse the local ones. Open your player folder. And then in this folder, you're going to right click right next to this right here, right? You're going to paste. Yes, replace the files in the destination. Close it. It's just your key binding, so you can set it the other ones in game. Once you've arrived at the main menu, go to mods. Click Pepsi's commands. Version 1.03 advanced. So difficult. The mod is loaded. You'll see in the corner it says it. ZM Pepsi _ CMD. Cool. Zombies. You do have to do this in a private game. Load a private game. Doesn't even matter the map. Let's just go. You have arrived in game. Let's test it. F1. God mode on. Ray gun. More zombies. More points. Max ammo. Drop gun. Drop gun. 4. So we know that they work. That is the first part of it, right? How you handle the channel points is up to you. If you don't want to bother with extra steps, just have the channel points trigger the sound maybe that you will recognize. Hit the button yourself. I recommend that method for anyone having issues setting up an external streaming application to press the buttons for you. You really want a good 10 second, 5 seconds probably good, delay before a trigger and after a trigger. All right, you'll understand that a little bit later whenever I do the Streamer.bot tutorial. Okay, let's do a really quick setup with Streamer.bot to make it an actual channel point. Okay, I'm gonna do it for 1. Copy the process. You'll see what I'm doing. Okay. All right, open up the link to OBS Websockets that I put in the description. Go to download. Scroll down. Windows installer. Next, install. I've already installed, so I'm not going to do that. Once you have that installed, it's time to connect it to OBS. Okay. Go down to the link in the description, Streamer.bot. It's easy, just type it. All right. Download Streamer.bot, 0.1.7 at the time. Download. I've downloaded it a million times. Let's do the zip. The downloads, extract all. Extract. You pick your preferred location. I'm just going to use the one right here. Let's open this one. Windows protected. More info. Run anyways. It's nothing. All right, here we got it. Streamer.bot. It looks really bland and hard to understand. It is not. We need to connect it to Twitch. How are we going to do that, you ask? Click the button. Connect to Twitch. Authorize. Go to settings. Click blocking. Type the word zombies. Click the word add. Go back to actions. All right, here we go. We're going to go right click. Add. Name the action. We're going to do round 69. Round 69 here. Change the queue to zombies so that they will run one after another. They won't ever run on top of each other. Okay. This is just the action that you're gonna call this to run these things, all right? We're gonna do an add action. We're gonna do a delay. 5,000 milliseconds, all right? Round 69 is F2, all right? Add action. Oh, keyboard press right here. Select F2 from the dropdown. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this one. Boom. 5 seconds on the front, press F2, 5 seconds on the back. All right. I want some kind of indicator visually and like audio as well. We're gonna take this a step farther and we're gonna add a sound. So go to round 69, sub actions, right click, add action. Sounds. Play sound. Right? Go online, find you a good sound. For some reason, I always have to turn it down to like 40%. Let's find something to play. Let's do Yes Master. Okay, let's do Yes Master. It's okay. All right, so listen, look to what it says. It says play sound and finish before continuing. You can use that as a timer as well if you would like. So it'll do its delay. It'll play the sound. As soon as this finishes saying it, it'll trigger. Right? Well, what if we want something to pop up on the screen? Well, I have that as well. We're going to go to, first I need to go to OBS. All right, now whichever scene that you're on, I'm going to add an image. We're going to call this round 69 pop-up. Okay. We're going to go to browse. We're going to go to, it's included in the zip file. You just have to find it. I have it on my computer already, so I'm just going to go to where I have it. Round 69. Right there. Okay. Going to grab it. We're going to drag it to the middle. About right here, right? All right, right there's my thing. So right there. Put it right there. Okay, we're going to disable it. It's right here. On gaming scene, right here. Pull up Streamer.bot. After you've got it in OBS, where you want it, come to Streamer.bot. Go to OBS. Right click right here. Add. Hit OK. Right click. Connect. All right, it's cool. It's connected. All right, go back to actions. Right click here. Add action. OBS. Set source visibility state. Right? Gaming scene, round 69 pop-up. For some reason, it just knew. I'm not sure. We're going to set it to visible. And then we're going to move it to right in front of the sound so that it'll be on all the way until here. So we're going to copy this. We're going to duplicate this. Go into it, edit. And we're going to change this to hidden. Okay. You got your actions ready. Now it's time to make a new channel point. So let's make a new one from scratch. Okay. Right click on channel point rewards. Add. Title. Nice. Round. Buddy. Send me to round 69 right away. Action. Round 69.
Yes, master.
Select. Cost 1. Round 69. Okay. Let's start up Black Ops 3. Now it'll play a sound and show a trigger. Or not, it'll play a sound, and show the pop-up to you guys. All right, we know this step so far. We're gonna go to mods. Pepsi's commands, the V1.03 advanced. Zombies. Private game. Start game. You have officially made it in game. All right. Don't.
Are you okay? You don't look okay.
Perfect. Let's do some more caveats. More things to know. Oh, playing with others. If you give power-ups or obviously change the round, everyone's affected by it. They're not affected by God mode. They might be affected by player speeds and things like that. Some pretty advanced stuff in there. I would suggest do everything in Streamer.bot, just add it as in the actions. Okay. There are over 200 effects in the command file, and you can edit the configuration file yourself to change the binds or add new ones. Remember to change the file off of read-only, make your changes, save it, change it back to read-only, or Black Ops 3 is going to erase all of them. Some effects are really easy to turn on, but they seem hard to turn off. That's generally not the case. Generally, if you don't know how to turn something off, you can use the command modvar panic 1. You can bind that. For the more advanced setups, you're going to have to use that. Example of things you have to turn off with the panic command. When you turn zombies artificially, infinite gobblegum, you have to turn that off with the command. Timescale changes, player speed, round skips. I don't recommend using a round skip at all. I recommend going directly to the round that you want. Sometimes the documentation tells you to use a different command other than modvar. Don't listen. Always bind with modvar unless it is from the standard command console, like give, God, things like that. The reason I only have the ray gun for giving weapons is because the weapon must be present on the map you're playing on for it to work. It's not like every map, so I figured it would work. Heavily modded maps with custom UIs and mechanics are hit and miss. Some maps will crash and some will prevent you from using the mod in some other way. Most maps are fine. I don't have a list of compatible maps. All standard maps are playable. There's definitely more, but off the top of my head, that's all I got right now.